Hi there, and welcome to our tour of the Beach Club Resort in Walt Disney World. Well known for its amazing pool area, the Beach Club is a gorgeous property on the shores of Crescent Lake. Epcot is a short walk away, and Hollywood Studios is easily accessible by boat. One of Disney's deluxe resorts, the Beach Club embraces the casual seaside elegance of New England throughout the property. It has a total of 576 guest rooms, plus 282 Disney Vacation Club villas. The lobby itself is arguably not as grand as some of the other deluxe resorts, but we found that this actually fits better with the vintage seaside theming. As you walk in the door, to the right is the reception and check-in desk, and to the left is the concierge service. Now is a great time to subscribe to our channel as we have lots more Disney to come. There are a few resorts that go above and beyond at Christmas time, and the Beach Club is definitely one of them. With its famous gingerbread carousel, it's absolutely worth a look if you're at Disneyworld over Christmas time. Along the corridor to the left of the lobby is the Beach Club Marketplace, which sells all kinds of both the Beach Club and Disney merch, and is also the quick service outlet for the Beach Club. Food purchased here can be eaten either outside or in the solarium. The Beach Club also has a sit-down restaurant, Cape May Cafe, currently open for a hearty buffet-style breakfast in the mornings or a buffet-style dinner featuring a surf and turf menu from New England in the evenings. Cape May Cafe used to have character dining, but it's not operating currently. Martha's Vineyard is a cosy bar located a little further along the corridor past the Cape May Cafe. After exiting the doors near Martha's Vineyard Bar, you come out to the wonderful pool area called Stormalong Bay, without a doubt the best pool area on Disney property. Shared with its sister resort property, the Yacht Club, the pool area consists of 3 whole acres of aquatic fun, including a sand-bottom pool, a lazy river, 3 whirlpool spas and a 230-foot long water slide designed to look like the mast of a shipwrecked boat. Both kids and adults alike can play here for hours. Stormalong Bay is also spectacular at night time, all lit up, and if it's warm, it's a wonderful place to cool off after a hot day at the parks. There is also a quieter pool located near the beach club villas. Along the foreshore of Crescent Lake is a sandy beach looking at the pretty boardwalk inn across the lake. There is also a fire pit here, deck chairs and some swings, and this is where they feature movies under the stars. Have you stayed at the beach club before? Did you enjoy it as much as we did? Leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. The beach club also has another famous eatery, the Beaches and Cream Soda Shop. There is a to-go window serving ice cream, shakes and floats, or the sit-down restaurant that has a more extensive menu, but reservations here are a must. And as they fill up really quickly, we recommend you making your reservation as soon as you know you want to eat here. Just past Beaches and Cream is the arcade, filled with fun games, and also the Shipshape Fitness Centre. Our room was a standard view room that fit all 5 of us. Yes, it was definitely a tight squeeze with 3 grown daughters, but we did it. Rooms are modern and clean, and ours was nice and bright and themed to perfection. There were 2 double beds and a pull-out sofa, plus lots of plugs and USB ports for all your chargers and electronics. It was very handy that the 2 bathroom sinks were actually outside the bathroom, and there were 2 of them. The room also has a mini fridge, a coffee machine and a large in-wall safe for all your valuables. There are quite a few options for transport. The bus transportation is located at the front of the property and will take you to all the parks and Disney Springs. Although if you'd like to walk to Epcot, it's only a short 10-minute walk along Crescent Lake. From Epcot you can take the Skyliner Gondola to Hollywood Studios, and there is also a boat that goes from the pier at the beach club to Hollywood Studios. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe as there's much more to come.